Whether you live in a house or an apartment, common toilet troubles plague everyone eventually. While they're not fun to discuss, toilet issues are something that all bathroom owners must face at some point. One of the benefits of renting is that you can always have maintenance come by and deal with it. When it comes to toilet issues, however, time is of the essence. You don't want to be stuck without it. This is why it's helpful to know how to address some of the most common toilet troubles yourself. Common toilet troubles and how to deal with them. A clogged toilet. One of the most dreadful sights is watching the water in a toilet slowly rise. If this happens, the first thing you want to do is stop more water from coming into the bowl. Quickly reach down and turn the knob behind the toilet to turn the water off. Next, open the toilet tank. Reach in and close the flapper to keep more water from entering. The next step is to clear the clog. The easiest way to do this is a plunger. When you put it in the toilet bowl, push it down the first time to expel all the air beneath it. Once the air is out and you have a good seal, move the plunger up and down, keeping contact with the bottom of the bowl to maintain a seal. Give one final plunge upwards, breaking the seal and loosening the clog. Should the plunger not work, you might also try squirting a bit of dish soap into the bowl and following it with a gallon of hot water. Another option is to add a cup of baking soda to the toilet bowl. Waiting a few minutes, then pouring in 2 cups of vinegar. This will create a bubbly reaction that will help break up the obstruction. If these all fail, it may be time to call the landlord. A toilet that keeps running or won't flush. Next to a clog, the most common toilet trouble is a toilet that keeps running. Not only is the constant trickle annoying, it's also a huge waste of water, and one that will likely frustrate anyone when the utility bill arrives. What do? First, take the lid off the tank and check the flap to make sure it's staying shut. Quite often, the chain that attaches to the flap will get tangled and cause it to remain open, and this allows water to keep flowing. You might need to adjust the chain and make sure it's long enough for the flapper to shut. Alternately, the chain may disconnect altogether, meaning that when you press the lever, the toilet won't flush. Either way, adjusting or reattaching the flapper chain will address lots of toilet woes. Next, check the float. It controls the water level in the tank, and if it's set too high, the water will continue to flow into the overflow tube and out of the tank. Newer toilets have floats that are adjustable by sliding a clip along a rod, while older toilets will require you to bend the brass rod to adjust the float level. Loose seats, leaky toilets, and more. While these are some of the most common toilet troubles, there are many others that may arise. Minor ones like a loose toilet seat can be addressed by simply flipping up the plastic screw covers and tightening the bolts underneath. Others, like a leaky toilet, may best be addressed by shutting the toilet water off and calling the landlord. Maintain an excellent relationship and open communication with them. And remember that even with toilet troubles, a good landlord is always there to help.